I brought my jacket because they said that it's going to be a storm. And it is so hot outside. I don't know why they said that. And I brought my hat, luckily. Good. So, maybe I could wear it. I'm going to go and check my brother. Brother, wake up. Brother. Wake up. Please, we need to check the animals. Just wake up. Come on.
Okay, coming.
Come on, let's go. Okay. Here, I'll open the gate for you. You can go in first.
Okay.
Now I'll go in and let's check the animals. Are you okay, horsey? He's not letting you eat? Okay. Good. Come on, it's time for the horse teeth. Come on. You took it all the time. Okay, you can go on your bed right now. It's the horse's turn. Here you go, and move it for you.
Okay, let me go and check the cow now. It's really great to check cows.
Are you okay?
Okay, you're good.
The food's good. Are you okay? Okay, you're good. Everyone's good here. Now let's get out, and we need to go and check a lot of stuff right now.
Okay.
Now I'm going to check the bottom part of them. He's good. He's doing good.
Okay.
Your room is all clean because it doesn't have anything inside it, so it's clean.
Yeah.
Is the koala good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not burned. That's why I wanted to check the koala.
Yeah.
The horse is good. It's eating because it got his turn. Now we better go. Come on.
Okay.
Should we go in my bedroom or what? What's that sound?
I don't know.
Oh no, I think the thunderstorm's really coming. Oh no, we better get the animals to safety. Quickly. Yeehaw! Oh no, why did I leave the stable open?
They're going inside my bedroom.
Oh no! Let's get them.
What is it?
Oh, I can actually hear it too. I can hear the noise too. We need to get them to safety really. The wind is blowing so much. Oh no, I think they were right. Yeah, they were. They said that it's going to be a storm. And it really is. Oh no. What are they doing? Why did they all go to the horse's room? This is
I don't know. Yeah.
This is a mess! Oh no! We better go! No, what happened?